Yeah, if you look at it, I'm just testing the capacitor, which was previously on this uh, tumble dryer, and it's keep on stopping while during the cycles. So trying to do best what I can to keep the video going while I'm testing this. Uh, as I'm testing this, this is coming as a reading on multimeter 1 point between 1.11 to 1.12. So is capacity is actually 8 microfarad, but it's not showing 8. It's only showing 1 point between 1.11 to 1.12. That means capacitor is gone. So I will check the good one, which one I just bought a new one from eBay, which is right here, this packaging. They wrap it quite well actually, to avoid any damage to the capacitor. So there's a whole wrapping. It's only for this capacitor. So you can see how good they are. So this is new capacitor, which I received from eBay 1 day late, thanks to the quick response. So let's check this one out now. So this one new genuine part. So let's have a look on this one, how much he's going to show. So it's reading now, which is as he says on the outer skin of capacitor, 8 microfarad. So it's showing exactly what it's supposed to be. So that's exactly what he says on the body of capacitor. So this one's the new one, good one. Let's hope this will work. I will show you in the next video how you gone. Thank you.